welcome to our first ever vlog. Right now we're in Frigliana. We're actually in the south of Spain where I grew up. We're just going to introduce you to our channel, and this video is about us telling you what we're going to provide you with throughout the year, whether it be photography, videography, travel tips.
Yeah, I'm so excited to be shown around and see a little bit more of South Spain. We want to take you with us, so let's go have a look. Right now we're in Sierra Nevada, and we just want to tell you a little bit more about us and what we're hoping to achieve in the next year. We packed in our full-time jobs, and this right here, this is going to be our full-time job. We want to take you guys places, travel the world, but also do what we enjoy doing the most, and that's creating content. This channel is going to be about places that we're traveling to and things that we can teach you. So the first stop on our world trip is Southeast Asia, and we'll be going there next week actually. Yes. First stop is Cambodia.
So we've secured 1 month's work in Cambodia. Literally, we're so excited to be able to go. But we want this channel to be a place where you can come, you can be inspired, you can learn from us. We can answer any of the questions you have regarding travel or photography or videography. We've been in the rat race, as they call it, for 8 years, and we just had enough of it. That was Spain. That was just a small insight into what we do, what we get up to. You're probably asking yourself, why are you going to listen to us? Why would you even watch us? Well, we want to provide you with a lot of value to help you understand how we do what we do. We've been doing North-South travels for about 2 years, and it's taken us up to now to take this full time. Before, we were both in full-time employment, working 9 to 5, 9 to 10 p.m. sometimes, and then getting home and working on our blog, working on our video content, photography work, even on weekends. It was just full on. So why now? Our last job, we worked in the Middle East for 1 year, very comfortable, and it just wasn't enough for us.
So although we've left our full-time employment in terms of a full-time job, the careers that we're both in both add value to North-South Travels. I worked as an art director and a fashion stylist. So what I can bring to North-South Travels is location scouting, hotel scouting. So I'm doing lots of research before we choose where we're going to go, where we're going to stay, what we can see, where we can shoot. And also, whilst doing North-South Travels, I have begun doing the travel writing. I've always loved writing, and now I get to share with you where we've stayed, how it was, reviews, tips and tricks.
And then my background is predominantly videography, worked in various companies. In terms of photography, that has all been self-taught, so again, that is what we want to share with you. Everything we are doing, you can self-teach yourself. So this is the channel where we want to help you do the same as us. We've been no different to you guys. We've watched people on YouTube, we've learnt from them, and they've really helped us.
Right now we're in Cambodia. We've been here for less than 2 days, and this is where the journey of this year starts for us.
Thanks for watching. Please go subscribe, like, comment, go follow us on Instagram at North-South Travels. We'll see you next week, but for now we're just gonna go take a swim in the pool. Just, yeah.